Good day, lovely people. Are you feeling sore or off after an adjustment? Don't panic, it's actually a good sign. Your body is shifting from your old pattern. Your muscle is waking up. Nerves are reacting. It's your body recalibrating. Just like after a great workout, discomfort means change. Please give your body a moment to adjust to alignment. It's part of the healing process. Short-term soreness, long-term stability. That's the adjustment effect. Visit Sankofa Chiropractic Wellness Center and have your chiropractic adjustment and spinal checkup. Have a great day.